How to use AI for graphic design projects. Artificial intelligence, AI, has quickly transformed many aspects of creative industries, including graphic design. Whether you are a professional designer, a business owner, or a hobbyist, AI tools can help streamline workflows, inspire creativity, and make complex projects easier to accomplish. In this guide, we'll explore how to leverage AI for graphic design projects, covering everything from idea generation to design enhancement and beyond. Incorporating AI into your design toolkit opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you are enhancing images, creating logos, or developing personalized content, AI can help you stay competitive, streamline your workflow, and, most importantly, inspire your creativity. Embrace the power of AI to take your graphic design projects to new heights. 1. Understanding AI in graphic design. AI-driven tools have evolved to support a wide range of design needs, such as image creation, layout design, logo generation, and content personalization. AI in graphic design isn't about replacing human designers but empowering them to work more efficiently, explore creative ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. By learning how to use AI effectively, you can speed up your design process while enhancing the quality of your work. Benefits of using AI in graphic design: inspiration and idea generation. AI can provide new concepts based on your input. Automation. Speed up repetitive tasks like resizing, adjusting colors, or organizing layouts. Enhanced creativity. AI can help you experiment with styles and effects quickly. Personalization. AI can tailor designs for different audiences or platforms automatically. 2. Idea generation. Starting your design with AI. One of the challenges in graphic design is coming up with fresh and relevant ideas. AI-powered platforms, like DALL-E and Midjourney, can create visual concepts based on simple text prompts. Here's how you can use AI for idea generation. Text-to-image generators. Describe the concept you have in mind using a few descriptive words, and these tools will create images that match your description. For example, if you need a fantasy-inspired logo, type in a prompt like, "mystical fantasy logo with gold and silver accents," and the AI will generate unique variations. Mood boards and inspiration. Tools like Pinterest use AI algorithms to suggest designs based on your browsing history. By collecting and analyzing similar images, these tools help you develop a cohesive design vision. Design variations. Tools like Canva's Magic Resize or Adobe's AI-powered Sensei can quickly create variations of your initial designs to give you options to explore and refine. 3. Automating repetitive tasks with AI. Graphic designers often have to repeat tasks like resizing, color correction, or background removal. AI can handle these tasks quickly and consistently. Background removal. Tools like Remove.bg and Adobe Photoshop's AI background remover use machine learning to detect and erase backgrounds from images in seconds. This saves time compared to manual techniques. Auto resizing. With AI, you can resize graphics for multiple platforms in one click. Canva's Magic Resize and Adobe Spark automatically create multiple versions optimized for different social media channels, saving time and ensuring consistency across platforms. Color matching and adjustments. AI-powered tools like Adobe Color use algorithms to generate color schemes and suggest complementary palettes based on the color theory. This is particularly useful when you need to match branding colors or achieve a specific mood. 4. Enhancing visuals with AI editing tools. AI has made image and video editing faster, more accessible, and more powerful. Here are some ways you can use AI to enhance your graphic design projects. Photo enhancement. AI tools like Lumina AI offer automated enhancement features that improve image quality by adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can even use AI to remove blemishes, sharpen images, or add filters. Vectorization of raster images. For projects that require vector graphics, tools like Vector Magic can convert raster images into vector format automatically. This is particularly helpful if you want to scale designs without losing quality. Typography suggestions. AI tools in Adobe's Creative Cloud and platforms like FontJoy suggest typefaces that match your project's theme and mood. AI examines the overall design and context to suggest font combinations that complement each other. AI-based layout suggestions. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Spark offer AI-generated layout templates that arrange your elements in visually appealing ways. Simply add your text and images, and the AI will adjust the layout for optimal readability and aesthetics. 5. Creating logos and brand assets with AI tools for logo design have become particularly popular, especially for startups and small businesses that need branding but may not have access to professional designers. Here's how AI can assist in creating logos and other brand assets. Logo generators. Tools like Looker and Hatchful by Shopify can generate logo concepts based on the industry, style, and color preferences you provide. These AI-driven platforms use machine learning algorithms trained on thousands of logos, which allows them to deliver high-quality designs tailored to your specifications. Customized icons. Tools like Icons 8 offer AI-generated icons that can be adjusted for color, size, and style to match your brand's identity. You can choose from various styles and adjust settings to create icons that align with your visual brand. Brand kits. AI-based brand kit generators like Tailor Brands allow you to create a complete set of assets, including logos, social media profiles, and business cards, all designed to maintain a cohesive look across different mediums. 6. Exploring AI-driven animation tools. Animation is an effective way to make designs more engaging, and AI has made animation more accessible to non-professionals. Here's how to add animation to your projects with AI. Animated text and motion graphics. Adobe After Effects offers AI tools for animating text and graphics automatically. You can create eye-catching title animations and transitions using the program's AI-driven presets. Animated GIFs and stickers. Tools like Giphy and Canva offer AI-powered features for creating GIFs and animations from images. These are useful for social media and can add a dynamic touch to your graphic designs. Scene and object detection for video editing. Some AI-driven video editors, like Magisto, use AI to detect scenes and objects, then create smooth transitions and effects around them. This feature helps automate the process of creating engaging, professional-looking animated content. 7. AI for personalized and interactive designs. With AI, you can create personalized and interactive designs that adapt to different users. This approach is especially useful for marketing and user experience design. Personalized social media content. AI-driven platforms like SocialBee and Buffer can analyze user behavior to suggest content styles that are more likely to resonate with your audience. Interactive infographics. Tools like Visme and Venngage use AI to help create interactive infographics. By adding elements like clickable hotspots, dynamic charts, and embedded videos, you can make your infographics more engaging and informative. Dynamic web and UX design. AI-powered platforms like Adobe XD help designers create responsive layouts that automatically adjust to different screen sizes. You can even add basic interactivity to prototypes, making it easy to test and adjust before launch. 8. Final thoughts. Embracing AI as a creative partner. AI is rapidly transforming graphic design, and the tools available today offer impressive capabilities. However, it's essential to remember that AI should complement your creativity, not replace it. While AI can automate tasks and generate ideas, the vision and creativity behind a project still come from you. By using AI as a partner, you can focus on the creative aspects of your work, explore new ideas, and bring your projects to life faster and more efficiently. As you gain experience with these tools, you'll discover even more ways to use AI to elevate your graphic design projects, making them more visually appealing, personalized, and innovative.